What's going on, everybody? We're still working on the kayak this week, which isn't a bad thing. It's spring, the water's getting warm and the stripers are running. So one of the things that I had an issue with was my Lowrance Hook 5 fish finder, or depth finder rather, bottom machine, whatever you want to call it. I had it actually zip tied to my Scotty mount, and well, that just wasn't working. So let me show you guys. Yes, it's extremely dirty. I haven't used it in ages, and it was actually in a tub. But at any rate, I had this zip tied onto my Scotty mount. So basically, what we're gonna do today is create, if I get that out of there, that's great. Basically, I've got a piece of PVC board that we're going to take this plate off. We're gonna trace out this, and we're gonna put a piece of PVC board in the place of this. And it should work out great, because I'm not one to be buying stuff, because I'm cheap when it comes to that stuff. But anyway, we're gonna get to it, and I'll show you guys exactly what I'm doing. All right, guys, so here is my 1/2-inch PVC board. I would rather use starboard. I don't have any remnants left. I do have a full sheet of 3/4 inch, but I'm not using that for this project. So basically, just clamping this down, and we're gonna leave it just a hair larger than the mount itself. And that's that. So there's our mark, and we're good. It's kind of a pain in the ass to do this, holding the camera and doing that at the same time. All right, so I've actually cut this off of the larger piece, but so basically what I did was use a small piece of starboard that I have floating around here. It's not thick enough to use what we're doing, but I used this to go around the edge and trace out a little bit larger than what we have, a little larger than the base. So that being said, we went ahead, we marked our holes so we can cross-reference and get our center point. And off to the bandsaw we go. Then for my favorite tool, the Noga. All right, everybody, so basically what I've done is I've drilled a 9/16 hole to accept this part of the Scotty mount, and once that goes through there, then we're going to have washer, another washer, and then this, and then we can screw the base down to it. All right, everybody, so we went ahead, we've mounted the Scotty mount to the bottom of that. And it works good, and I've already pre-drilled my holes. Now all I have to do is mount the bottom machine on top, and we're good to go. All right, so here is the finished product. I don't think it came out that bad, and it'll serve its purpose well. Let's go check it out. All right, well, the kayak is still a work in progress, so don't mind the mess. But get that in there like so. That sits down in there. Look at this beauty. And can't see it. I can't see it. And there she is in all her glory. Sweet. I love it. Hey everybody, I wanted to thank you for watching today's video. Please like and subscribe, comment. If you have any comments, that'd be great. I am pretty interactive. So until next time, I greatly appreciate each and every one of you. Thank you so much, and we'll catch you on the flip side.